In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a background image to all your pages on Wix. We will execute this task by walking through several simple steps within the Wix editor for your website. So, let us get started. Firstly, begin by opening your Wix editor. This is the primary hub where you can make all the essential changes on your website. Accessing this editor should be quite straightforward. Just head over to your website and open the editor interface. Once you have the editor opened, the next step is to navigate to the Site Design section. You will find this located on the left-hand side menu of your Wix editor interface. Simply look for the option that reads Site Design and click on it. This is the section where we will work on the tweaks needed to change your background image. After opening the Site Design section, direct your attention towards the Page Background option. This option helps you access the background settings for your website. So you will need to click on Page Background to proceed further with the process. Now, with the background settings opened, it is time to select an image for your background. You will notice an option labeled Image. Go ahead and click on that to start choosing your preferred background image. Choose an image might sound like a daunting task, but Wix gives you many choices to lighten your burden. You have several options here to find the perfect image for your background. If you have one handy on your computer, you can elect to upload your own image. Beyond that, Wix makes available a wide range of complementary images, which you can select either from the platform's Media from Wix and Unsplash libraries. Besides these cost-free options, if you are seeking for a more exclusive or high-quality image, Wix offers the option to select and purchase premium images from the Shutterstock library. Therefore, I'm confident you will find an image that satisfies your taste and meets your website's aesthetics. After choosing your preferred image, there is one vital step left. Ensure this image is applied to all pages on your website. Please click on the Apply to Every Page button. This action ensures that your selected background image is uniformly applied across all the website pages. To sum up, remember that adding an appropriate background image to your website can significantly enhance the look and feel of it. So take your time while selecting an image. You are now equipped with the knowledge of how to add a background image to all the pages on your website through Wix. Happy website designing!